Women on Boards is very proud to launch its inaugural Truth Be Told Cultural Diversity on Australian Boards report, which contains a desktop audit of the boards of 232 organisations across 5 sectors: cooperative research centres, the top 94 federal government bodies by remuneration, national sporting organisations, research and development corporations, and universities. It shows that only 12.8% of board members are non-Anglo-Celtic. Of this, approximately 3% are Indigenous. When you consider that more than 50% of Australia's population was either born overseas or are first-generation Australians, we have quite a gap to close in order to better capture our vast and rich multicultural society on the boards of our many organisations. This report is rich in data and contains a number of key recommendations. These include the need for organisations to measure or count culture, small reporting changes that ASIC and the ABRS could consider implementing, social media platforms making it easier for people to self-nominate their cultural identity, encouraging positive behaviours such as board members self-identifying ethnicity, and proactive changes across the sectors that are falling short when it comes to cultural diversity on their boards. It's clear that while we can wait for a formal or legislated regime, focused attention from industry and organisations will drive the positive change we need in this area, just as it did gender balance on boards. We commend this report to you and invite comment and contributions. In conclusion, I'd like to warmly thank the WOB staff and members of the Cultural Diversity Committee who worked together to bring you this important report. Thank you.